Wow, 200 leads within 24 hours. How come? How do I do it? How do I go about it? That's what I'll be explaining in this video. If you are here, my name still remain Michael Colleague. If you are new to my channel for the first time, or you are coming for this to this channel for the first time, make sure you kindly subscribe so that people can see more of this video, and you can also share to your friend as well if you enjoy my content. So today we'll be talking about 200 leads in 24 hours. How come? What did I do? Then what leads exactly? What is the meaning of leads? People have been talking about lead generation, leads everywhere, leads on Twitter, leads Facebook, leads on Telegram, Instagram, even on LinkedIn. People are talking about lead generation. So what exactly is this lead? Are they robots, or what exactly do they mean? That's what I'll be talking about in this video tutorial. So if you are here, don't forget to subscribe, and I make sure that it's succinctly explained. You are not taking much of your time. Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'll be talking about what is lead, what is contact leads, what is the meaning of lead generation itself, what is conversion. A lot of people have been talking about lead generation all up and down. So you'll be wondering that, okay, what is lead exactly? See, let's say for example you are from a student family, or let's say you, at least in your family, in your house, you have like 10, 20 people that stay in the same place, or let's say you even have like five of your brothers. You have like your uncle's number, you have your brother's number, you have your sister's numbers, and many of them, at least they have like 10, 20 people that they are active on WhatsApp. So let's say you have those numbers. They are just random contacts, because those people, they are likely just your families and friends. So they are not prospects, they are not your target audience, they are not people that are likely to buy from you. Although it's not that they can't buy, it's not that they are just going to be looking at you for life and they are not going to buy anything, but they might not buy forever. They'll just be looking at you. You see, not that my brother that is selling. No, my brother will scam me. My brother might want to sell it at an expensive rate. My brother might want to do ABC. Let's say, for example, even when you want to buy something, you prefer buying from big brands. Let's say that's when your brother is selling a shoe, or let's say your brother is selling a trouser for 5,000 naira, and on Jumia you can see it for 6,000, you see it for 6,500. We still prefer to buy on Jumia, just because you feel like Jumia will sell original one, and Jumia will sell one that is more legit, and it might be okay. Like, you just feel like that one is okay compared to your brother's own. That's why people say that, okay, talk to strangers, talk to strangers. Strangers have your money. They're not anyhow strangers, not just any random person, not just random people on the street. So that's why we call about leads. Leads are target people. Leads are like lead person to be interested in something. Let's say you want to sell, for example, you want to sell a graphic design course, or let's say you're a graphic designer, you want to teach people about graphics. So let's say the graphic design course is how to do it with your smartphone, preferably your Android device. On iPhone, there's for example, Pixel Lab is not on iPhone. The one on iPhone is not very good like that. So let's say your target audience now is people that are interested in graphic design, one. Then two, people that use Android and not iPhone. Let's say you are teaching them on Pixel Lab. So let's now say you are teaching them on Canva, or the combination of Canva and Pixel Lab. That means that people that use Android or iPhone, and they are interested in learning graphic design. So those are leads. Those are target audience for graphic design. So then what's the meaning of prospects? Prospect is just like leads. Prospects are likely person, like people that are willing, like they have been looking, they are not sleeping at night thinking about, okay, how can I do this thing? How can I design with my smartphone? I'm just tired of paying graphic design. How can I do this one? So there are people that are likely to buy something. That's why we just say, don't join game group, don't buy VCL file, don't do this and that. It's not okay for you. Although from those VCL file, you might likely see people that will buy. I've seen when I was ignorant of all these things. I've done them in the past. So I've joined several contact game group. Then I was just filling my contacts. I have about 23,000 contacts. And these people are just random person. They just posting, commenting, and all these things on their status. So most times I mute them, they mute me also. Most of them are just random WhatsApp TVs, and they're also sellers. So let's say you have collection, you'll be seeing all of them collection, this one collection, this one collection, this one store, this one store. So all these people, they are just business owner like you, so they are not likely to buy from you grab. So you need people that are interested. Let's say your course is graphic design course on smartphone, so you need people that are interested in graphic design, then they are using Android or iPhone. So that's different between leads and contact. Then what is lead generation? Lead generation is the process, is the whole process of turning a caterpillar into butterfly, you grab. So the process of turning caterpillar into butterfly, the process of getting those leads, getting those contacts, everything that you be doing, that you get those contacts to come to you themselves without you chasing them, without you running up and down, say, I got your number, blah, blah, blah. No, that's not lead generation. Lead generation is just you giving them something, you offering them something so that they can come to you themselves. They willingly come to you. They say, okay, this is me, take my phone number. This is me, take my email address. So this thing doesn't even matter. This thing is not about just WhatsApp alone. It's not about email alone. You can use it on all social media. It's people that are willing to follow you on Instagram themselves. People that are likely to like your page themselves. You are not forcing them to like your page. They come to your page. They probably see one or two content that it's working for them, or they really appreciate it, or it's solving one of their problems. So they like your page. They follow your page. So those are leads. Those are your ID customers. Those are your prospects. So they are not people that you force. They are not people that you buy contact. They are not people that you buy followers. They are not people that you just beg them. So that's why you need to be serious about this thing. It's not about just you coming on social media to come and be shouting, I sell ABC, I sell blah, blah, blah. You need to be very serious about selling. You need to be very serious about lead generation if you don't want to struggle with sales, you crowd. So then what is conversion? So conversion is like, now you already have those leads. Let's say you then let me add this one before I go into conversion. Before you can go about lead generation, you need something we call lead magnet. Lead magnet, I'm going to explain what lead magnet is now. So lead magnet is just like something that you offer to people so that they can come to you themselves. Lead magnet might be something like freebies, something like it's free. Let me just say something that is free so that in a layman's term, so you can understand what I'm trying to say. So let's say, for example, you create a course on graphic design, as I've been using for example. So you now offer something like, okay, let me start with a free training. Let me start free graphic design class. So you now teach people how to create, like you want to teach people how to create designs. So you now start with a free training. You organize, you create a simple flyer, okay, with your picture on it, graphic design bootcamp, graphic design blah blah blah. You just create the flyer and people are joining your group. But the mistake that a lot of people do is that they just create a group and be adding people to it. Or some people will just create the group, create the flyer, and they will tell people join the group. No, that's not it. You make them come to your DM, they save your number, you have their number saved. The main thing for getting them is that they might not buy immediately. They might not buy in 1 month's time. They might not even buy in 2 months' time. I've seen people that in my contact, they've been following me for over 6 months. They've not gotten anything from me. So that doesn't mean they are bad. That doesn't mean they are broke. That doesn't mean they are poor. But most times, maybe they don't need it at the moment, or maybe they don't see the need to buy at the moment, or probably they don't have money, or probably maybe let's say they've gotten it somewhere else, or one or two things just happen. So you need to save their number. So even though they are not buying, I see people that refer me for something, they have not gotten anything from me, but they've referred me to 2 or more persons. So you need them to save their you make sure that you save their number and they save your number so that you won't just be wasting your money. So you don't just create group and be adding people to you, or you be running adverts to it. It's not very good. That's why we now bring about bots and autoresponders so that when these leads are coming to your DM, let's say they are 150, you won't just be replying to all of these 50, 100, 500 people at once. So all your bots, all your autoresponder will not be working for them, will not be sending them, okay, this is the group link, join this one, save this now, blah blah blah. And we also have autosave that will enable you to do all of these things. So I have a course on it, WhatsApp Ninja Circle. You can join today. So when you join, you know everything about lead generation, you know everything about saving contact, you know everything about conversion and all of them. So let's continue. So you don't forget that lead magnet is something that you offer to people for free. It can be a free book, it can be a podcast, it can be a free video, but there are just many things that's attached to it that I can't explain here. You grab. So just know that, have it at the back of your mind, like something that you offer to people for free so that they can come to you themselves. Then it can also be a low ticket offer. Let's say you're selling something like 72 IG course, and 72 IG course is about 62,500. It's an high ticket to some extent. So it's not everybody can afford 62,500. So you want to, let's say you want people that are coming to your DM not to just be a freebie seeker. You want them to be some people that they have a shift in their mindset already. They know that, okay, nothing is free under the sun, you grab. So you want to give them a low ticket offer, just like 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, or just $1, 700 naira, you grab. So that's why that's still part of lead magnet, you grab. So it's not a must to be free. it can be something like very low, very, very cheap. That you now be that's why you see some people selling something as low as $1. You now be wondering that okay, this thing is worth more than this. Is just the marketing strategy. It's just the marketing strategy. They have a big offer they are going to sell at the end of it. So once you've gotten those low ticket offer, you now believe that okay, one, this person, in as much as I can trust him with my $1 and he can deliver very well like this, in as much as I can trust this person, like this person, I paid him just $1 and he gives so much value like this. Okay, what will now be in those costs that is 62,500? What will now be in that cost that is now about 15,000? What will now be in that cost that is now about 100,000? You grab. So those are the things that you do. You see so many people saying that okay, their email subscriber, like email list is not free. Just like you pay 1,000 naira, sometimes you pay 5,000, 3,000, and many of them. So they are low tickets so that they get serious people that are really serious, people that know that business is about paying someone, business is about solving people's problem. Like nothing is free on the sun on the ground. So make sure that whenever you want to say that okay, I want to focus on lead generation, one, you need to understand what type of product are you selling, or are you a service provider? Let's say you're a graphic designer, you're a copywriter like me, you offer services like Facebook adverts, you create websites, you create landing page for people. So you want to know that, okay, what type of things am I doing? What type of service do I render? Then who are the people that are likely to get these things rather. So that's when you need to understand the difference between contact, lead generation, lead magnet. Then lead magnet, don't forget, I'll be explaining that it's something that you offer to people so that they can come to you themselves. Then the conversion is the process of turning leads into buyers. Now you've gotten them, let's say you save their number, 100 people, 500 people, 200 people, and many other ones. So now you've saved your number. What are you going to do? How are you going to convert these people from just ordinary contact list or from just ordinary email list they'll be reading your emails every day, they'll be following they just follow us on Instagram, they follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and another one. So how can you convert these people into buyers that are going to buy from you? That's what we now bring about conversion. Conversion is everything that you do with your content, what you post, your testimonies, your proof, and other things that you'll be doing so that these people can see you as an authority. They can see you as something that is worth paying for. Like they can see your stuff as something that is worth paying for. Let's say they've done your free training. They believe, wow, so this thing is actually free. I'm getting so much value like this. Now imagine me paying like 5,000. Now imagine me paying like 10,000 for this course. That means I'll be getting so much value compared to the one that is free you grab. So that's the conversion. That's the conversion principle. So when you join my circle today, I have a course that is part of the offer, like WhatsApp training template. That is for people that want to organize their free training or they want to organize paid trainings. They want to know how to go about it, what to be saying in their free training, how to create their flyer, what to be in their flyer, and how to teach them, like how to convert them in the group you grab. So just make sure that you join my circle today and you are free to go. Like you're getting all of these things I've been mentioning. Then even though you already know about all these things, you want to get my bots and my autoresponders. I have a course on that. I call it the WhatsApp bots and tricks. So if you watch any of my video, I think I've mentioned it before that one is still 5,000 naira at the moment, and my WhatsApp Ninja circle is 15,000 naira at the moment. So once you've joined my circle, you have access to the bot and the lead generation course, another one. Why the bot itself is just 5,000 naira you grab. So then don't forget that before you do anything, the most important thing is understanding who am I, what am I selling. A lot of people just be like, okay, I've heard about, okay, create a free ebook, create a free video, create a free webinar. No, it's not about you just creating anyhow things. It's about you understanding that, okay, me, I'm a graphic designer and you are a copywriter. Okay, it's about you understanding that you're a website designer and the other person is a crypto trader or is a crypto enthusiast. Is about this and that. So you need to understand what you are doing and what I'm doing. How can you get people that will be interested? What are the things that you'll be needing? What are the things that you'll be doing? So everything you'll be doing, that's what I've explained in the course. I call it the WhatsApp Ninja Circle course. WhatsApp Ninja course is a course actually, but a circle plus a circle. That circle is just a support group for you to be there for like at least 30 to 90 days. I believe within the range of 30 to 90 days, you should have gone through the course, organize your free training, create your lead magnet, join make money and all of them. So within the range of 30 to 90 days, I believe you should have gone through everything, you should have finished everything. No matter what you are doing, no matter how busy you are, between the range of 30 to 90 days, you will have finished everything. That's why I call it the circle. What's Ninja circle? Several people that have been there for over 3 months, that have been there for over 2 months, a month, and all of them. I think we have about 80 something people that are there already. So make sure you join us today. Then if you are going to get my bots and my tricks, make sure you message me on WhatsApp 01 like 081 034 836 669. 08103483669. I'm going to put my link in the description of this video. So if you like this video or you want to show it to one of your friends, you are free to share. You are free to share. Good for the community. My name still remains Mike Accolade. You can go to mikeaccolade.com if you want to know more about me and you want to know more about my services and other things that I render. So thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.